Hey, welcome back to another video. Today we're making special donuts. Why special? Because they only need 1 egg, no yeast, no kneading, and absolutely no emotional support during a 3-hour proofing session. The time between I kinda want donuts and actually eating donuts is about 30 minutes. They're unbelievably soft and fluffy, and once that glaze goes on, let's just say self-control files for early retirement. First, crack the egg. I removed that weird white stringy thing. Now whisk everything until it's pale, smooth, and slightly stretchy. The yogurt is the reason these donuts stay soft, so don't skip it. If you're completely out of yogurt, milk will work too. Your donuts will forgive you. Sift the flour over the batter in 2 additions. This is the texture you're looking for. If yours looks like concrete, we need to have a conversation. Now scoop the batter into oil that's already hot over medium heat. Here's the secret. You must keep spooning hot oil over the tops while they fry. No oil bath from above means no dramatic puff. Flip them regularly so both sides cook evenly. You can use an ice cream scoop like I did, or just use a spoon. They'll still taste amazing, even if they come out looking like they were handcrafted by chaos. The glaze is optional, but also not really. It keeps the donuts moist and turns them into something dangerously addictive. Mix it well until every last lump of powdered sugar disappears. No surprise sugar rocks allowed. Now dip each donut into the glaze one by one. Then let the excess drip off on a cooling rack, or literally anything that lets gravity do its job. Otherwise, they'll absorb too much glaze. In my house, these disappeared so fast that people immediately requested another batch. I wasn't even emotionally prepared. Definitely give them a try, and let me know in the comments what you think. Although, our household's head chef wasn't completely impressed. She'll probably give me a harsher performance review later. I'll try harder next time. See you in the next video.